Hi guys, today I'm actually 3D printing. Actually, just kidding, I'm not 3D printing. I'm making some stuff right now. And before I start this video, I want you to like and subscribe to just hit it. It's just right there. It's just right there, right there. Just right there. Just please do it. For good luck. Good luck is good. And guys, you see there's a heart right here that's going to be a keychain and a dinosaur that I'm still working on, but I'll show you when it is finished. And I'm showing you the heart because it is finished, but it's just a little hot because I'm using hot glue. Just to let you know. Anyways, guys, I am done, and I know you guys see this one's looking terrible, but it's gonna get fixed. I hope. And this is gonna be a keychain, and this is gonna be a keychain. That's why you see that right there. I'm pretty sure this whole thing is okay. Yeah, I burned myself right here. Yeah, it burned just a little bit. Anyway, I need you guys to like and subscribe because I need. Well, I actually don't need something. I just need you guys to like and subscribe. And guys, I need some views. I need some views. Please views before I break this dinosaur. Actually, why would I actually break this? Because it's actually gonna take me 2 hours, probably 2 hours. It probably took me 2 hours to make this, or probably just 3 minutes, because yeah, you saw the outline and stuff like that. And guys, now I think I like getting burned. I just like it, but it's warm, and yeah, I get burned a lot of times, so I'm kind of used to it. It's like my dad. My dad, when he was a kid, I think he got like 50 burns. Yeah, and yeah, he doesn't feel the burns anymore. I got like 3 burns or 4. I'm pretty sure it's 2 actually. From only making chicken nuggets. I love chicken nuggets. They're so good and soft and salty. But I hope not too soft. And anyways, guys, I'm done using my hot glue. And yeah. So you see we have the dinosaur. I did want to make a keychain because this is actually from the brother. And I don't think he wants a keychain. I'm just gonna leave it like this. But guys, you might ask, like, where is the color? Like, where is the color? And I hope you're not too rude because I'm actually my blow your minds. Well, I hope I do.